doesn't get much better than this on a Sunday afternoon when we're out with the boys today. We decided we would take just a short little Sunday cruise, and it feels like we're going through a little bit of the bush. I have not been on dirt road like this or trails in a very long time, and I'll tell you what, it's good to be back. And before we get into this episode, I just want to give a huge shout out to every single one of you that have subscribed, liked, shared the videos, commented. This month we hit a bit of a milestone. We had over 20,000 views on the channel, past 350 subscribers, and I think we also posted our 50th video if memory serves me correct. So first off, huge shout out to all of you. I appreciate it. And if you're new around here and you want to see what I get up to along on my journeys, please make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and join us. I mean, this is a booba booba road, I think is what Sten called it, and as you can tell, you just booba 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 along. This here's the Bloberg Nature Reserve that we're cruising down, and we're just off to go and have a little bit of fun. It was a quiet Sunday afternoon. Put the Jimny all together back yesterday, and I must admit, my windscreen doesn't like me anymore. Check this out. So this is the new improved Jimny air conditioner. You don't need anything else, you just open up your windscreen. This is SJ life, I tell you. This is good to go. So that's another thing to add onto the bucket list. I have no clue how the windscreen came loose, but it came loose, and we shall reseal it. But in the meantime, this feels better than a merry-go-round at the parade. Bah, bah. First bit of really loose sand that we're going. Time for a little bit of fall high and off we go again. This is actually really good fun. So good to be back on the dirt. Go, go, go! So we made it to the first somewhat difficult obstacle up there on that little mountain, and the sand is so soft we didn't deflate or anything like that, so SJ's having a bit of a hard time there, but we'll get up. Shouts out stand, bro. Not doing a very good job for us Toyota fans here. A little bit more on the right foot there and you would have made it. Not too bad for a Camry motor. Woo! Can you do it in reverse? And here in the wild we have a natural SJ. Oh, easy. Easy. And while we're here, check out the views. Table Mountain in the background. A little bit of cloud cover, but man, looking mighty fine. Oh boys, have we got it down here. Oh, stall. It's not my first time driving. Let's try this again. Whoa, shit. Like always, the camera never does it justice. That was pretty hairy. Driving through all the grasslands here, I feel like we should be something in the Lion Kings. Hi, Yawenya! Woo! Nice and close. Turn right. Not too bad. My turn. Another one of the reasons why I love to get out in here. And just FYI, this is private property. We do have permission to be here, so please don't try and find us. But you sit here and you listen to the world around you. And for those of you that are 4x4s, please make sure you do it responsibly. Make sure any litter you take in, you take out, and leave it better than what you found. so close. Really, for a camera mode, it sounds brilliant. Woo! Bonus points for style. This is where the men become boys. Go, 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 go! Woo! Don't scratch your paint! Easy as pie. Raj, you're going to do the same thing?
Yeah, I'm not reversing down here.
I think I'm going to. Turn your front wheels the other way. Man. But just check out these views. What a machine! What a machine! I heard the backfire on the rear. Sounds good though.
Yeah. Until it blows up.
No, it won't. Please, not today. So we stopped for a little picture moment here.
Almost falling.
And all the good looking butts here. And we're all about to do what SJ Jimny life is all about. Stand on your Jimny and take a photo. And she's a little bit tight, but we're making it through. Oh, watch out for the fin! Fight back of the bush. This one's nice and close. Oh, it's too close, eh? You can do it. I'll tell you what, that little off camber at the top can be deceiving. Come on, baby! Little red rocket! Oh boy! There we go, there we go, 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 go! There we go, there we go! Go, go, go! Woo! Another couple of horsepower there from the back end. I almost caught my foot under his tire. I don't know if you saw that. Sometimes you just got to stop and enjoy the view and take in the beauty of it all. Out in the middle of nowhere we can go fishing. I don't know what we're going to catch there, maybe just some worm. What's a 4x4 outing without a little mechanical breakdown? So we've run out of brake fluid, but don't worry, as a true SJ owner,
Come bearing beer. Feel.
so on the one hand we have one guy donating a little bit of petrol, while the other guy donates his brake fluid. And there it comes. And this is how you steal this is how you steal all the Roz's fuel. Don't worry about it. One train! Woo! Train track on my right. sunset on the left. Man, you gotta love living in Cape Town. Check this hooligan out. This is the lesser known Suzuki freight train. Boys will be boys. That guy's got some skill. Here we are. Over the... Look left, look right. Oh, and oh! What an epic afternoon out. Awesome. Hello, doggy! Woof woof! You don't get sunsets like that every day. Check that view out. Hey, Stradman, how about some views on views? I don't know if that's my clutch smelling or Roz's clutch smelling, but the sweet smell of clutches in the evening.